Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename payment methods using PayRules. In this video, we will show how to hide payment for a specific SKU in Shopify. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the SKU condition. So first, we'll search for SKU in the search bar and select it. Click Select Elite 1 Combination to continue. After adding the SKU, you'll see a drop-down with several options. Exact match, partial match, starts with, ends with. Exact match. Hide if the SKU exactly matches what you entered. Partial match. Hide if the SKU contains the entered SKU number or words anywhere within it. Start with. Hide if the SKU begins with the entered SKU number or words. End with. Hide if the SKU ends with the entered SKU number or words. For this example, we choose If Found and select the Start With, then enter the SKU BRB. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Here we can see that the Brown Bear product's SKU is BRB-SH-2112. Now go to the rule page and set a name for the rule. Finally, go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. For example, we will add Cash on Delivery. If you don't see your payment method in this list, simply write the payment name manually, like Alipay, and click on Add Alipay option. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, Cash on Delivery and Alipay are visible because there are no products in the cart with an SKU starting with BRB. Now, let's add Brown Bear, which has the SKU BRB-SH-2112, starting with BRB, and check again. As you can see, the Cash on Delivery and Alipay are hidden now. That's it. This is how you can hide payment for specific SKU. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!